We'll guide you through how to remove the hidden watermark from ChatGPT outputs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Make sure you're logged into your account to access the settings. Once logged in, navigate to the user settings by clicking on your profile icon at the lower left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings panel, you'll find various tabs. Click on the Security tab here. You will see an option labeled Output Watermarking. This is a feature that helps identify text generated by ChatGPT. If you want to remove the watermark, you simply need to toggle this option off. Remember that turning off watermarks can affect content verification features. Confirm your choice by clicking Save Changes at the bottom of the page. It's important to understand that removing the watermark means the text generated won't have any identifiers linking it back to ChatGPT, which might be critical for certain applications or compliance requirements. If you're collaborating with others or publishing content, consider the implications of having watermarking disabled. Once you've saved your changes, any new text you generate will no longer have the hidden watermark. You can always come back and re-enable this feature if needed. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.